You know that feeling when someone does something and you just cringe? They're not trying to be rude, they just don't know the unwritten rules. The silent rules that everyone follows but nobody talks about. Let me show you the 7 rules that separate people who get it from people who don't. Rule 1. Don't use speakerphone in public. When you blast your conversation for everyone to hear, you're basically saying, my call is more important than everyone else's piece. Simple fix, use headphones or hold it to your ear like a normal person. Respect to the room. People notice. Rule 2. Never comment on someone's weight, gain, or loss. Even if you think it's a compliment, wow, you look so fit now. You're implying they looked worse before. Whether someone gained or lost weight, they probably already know. And they probably have feelings about it. Just say, you look happy. That's it. You win. Rule 3. Don't call someone more than twice in a row. If they didn't pick up the first time, calling again immediately screams, I don't respect your time or your space. If it's urgent, text them. Give them a chance to call back. Respecting people's boundaries, that's the move. Rule 4. Don't show up uninvited or without notice. You might think you're being spontaneous and fun, but they're thinking, my house is a mess. I'm not ready for this. Always text first. Hey, can I come by? Simple, respectful. Everyone's happy. Spontaneity is cool. Consideration is cooler. Rule 5. Always leave the bathroom as clean as you found it. This one's simple. Don't be gross. Wipe the sink. Clean up after yourself. Your mom isn't there to clean up after you anymore. Be better. Clean bathroom equals clean conscience. Rule 6. Let people exit the elevator before you enter. This seems basic, but so many people forget. If you rush in before they exit, you're literally in their way. Wait, then enter. Easy. Common sense isn't that common. Be the exception. Rule 7. Never scroll through someone's photos if they hand you their phone. They showed you one photo, not your personal photo album. Look at what they showed you. Hand it back. Respect their privacy. Trust is built by respecting boundaries. These 7 rules aren't complicated. They're just respect in action. Follow them and people will notice. More importantly, they'll like being around you. That's the real win.